Welcome friends. Today let us learn about 5S methodology, which has constantly evolved into 6S and 7S. Basically, 5S is a Japanese initiated methodology used in manufacturing for productive and safe workplace. So the first S stands for sort. Sort means sort what is required and what is not required, what is required and what is not required. Basically, whatever is not used for more than 30 days is generally considered as not required. So next step is set in order. So we are going to arrange the sorted items in an order. It can be an ascending order, descending order, less used, less used, most used. So this is an order which you're going to set the sorted items. This can be your tools which you use in your work environment, or it can be anything else which is used. So here you have to always understand whichever is most required, you have to keep it close to you, whichever is least required away from you. So that's how you can set in order or make similar arrangements based on your requirement. So third S stands for shine. Shine means maintaining clean and monitoring it, replacing or refilling or filling the checklist, or maybe calibrations of the equipment, checking the working conditions. So these are all falls into shine, which is maintenance. It is a maintenance, and then comes standardize. So standardize means you have a well sorted toolbox, and in that toolbox you sorted it in order, and then you have kept it clean, and all the equipments are there's no wear and tear, and most of the equipments are working well, or most of the tools are okay. So that's the standard which you are setting. So anybody comes to that place to work, they will understand that things are already sorted and it is set in order, and they can understand the order as well, and same order they see it every time. That is sustaining. So standardize is setting a level or work or behavior. So that's setting a bar. For example, 9 to 6 is your working time. Every time someone comes to your place at 9 o'clock, you will be there at office in your workstation and you're working from 9 o'clock until 6 o'clock. You're there. After 6 o'clock, if someone comes to your place, you're not available. So that's the standard you're setting. Same way, sustaining means you have done sorting, set in order, shine, and standardize also you have set, but you have to sustain for the long time, each day, every day, this year, next year, anytime and every time people come to your place, you should be working from 9 to 6. If at all you may need leave notice that what is the reason, or in advance that you would not be available. That's an example of sustaining the right practices. And then comes safety and spirit. Safety is not only your responsibility, not individual responsibility. It is not your admin, HR, or your team leader or manager's responsibility. It is everyone's responsibility. So what are the safety parameters? So if there's any chemical, keep it closed and maintain the stocking conditions so that you will not harm yourself or others or even the environment. Any electrical safety, you replace the plugs and all sockets when required. So these are something about the safety. If something is going to free fall on somebody's head or toe or legs, there is a chances of accident. So these are the safety parameters which you need to take care of. And finally, self-discipline. Self-discipline is the most required fuel to maintain all this 6S. You have to be self-disciplined, and you should be able to work without supervision or with very less supervision. So hope you understand what is 5S, 6S and 7S. 5S is basically up to this, and the 6S which got added, and 7S is here. So hope you understand what is 7S or 5S or 6S. Thank you for watching the video.